Have you ever wondered if you could just hit the reset button and rebuild your life from scratch? What would you do differently? What kind of daily routine would set you up to be not just healthy, but wealthy too? It sounds like a dream, but it's more achievable than you think. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to build that powerful routines. Let's get into it. It all starts the moment you open your eyes. Before the world has a chance to pull you in a million different directions, you need to set your own course. Your morning routine is your anchor. First, as soon as you wake up, hydrate. A big glass of water is like a power-up for your brain and body. Next, move. It doesn't have to be an intense workout. A simple stretch, a quick walk, or some jumping jacks will do. Get that blood flowing and energize your system. Finally, before you check a single email or scroll through any feeds, take 5 minutes to write down your top 3 goals for the day. The simple act of setting your intentions gives you clarity and focus. It's you telling the day what's important, not the other way around. Now, let's talk about the midday slump. We all feel it. That post-lunch dip in energy where all you want to do is nap or grab another coffee. But instead of fighting it, let's work with it. The midday reset is your secret weapon. After you eat, go for a short walk. Just 10 to 15 minutes. It aids digestion, clears your head, and prevents that sluggish feeling. While you're walking, or maybe just after, plug into a 15-minute learning session. This could be a podcast about investing, an audiobook on personal development, or a YouTube video on a new skill. You're turning what used to be dead time into a powerful opportunity for growth. You're not just beating the slump, you're getting smarter and more capable every single day. As the day winds down, how you finish is just as important as how you start. Your evening routine is where you consolidate your gains and prepare for a successful tomorrow. Start by taking a few minutes to reflect. Look at your spending for the day. Were your purchases aligned with your financial goals? Then, review your progress on the goals you set this morning. What did you accomplish? What can you improve? This isn't about judgment. It's about awareness and making small, smart adjustments. And here's the most crucial part. A digital detox. At least 1 hour before bed, put away all screens. The blue light messes with your sleep hormones, and the constant stream of information keeps your mind racing. Read a book, meditate, talk with your family, or just sit in quiet reflection. Finally, the foundation of it all, sleep. It's not a luxury, it's your natural performance enhancer.
Aim for a solid 7 to 8 hours every single night.
When you're well rested, your decision-making is sharper, your mood is better, and your ability to handle stress skyrockets. You'll find you have more energy to exercise and make healthier food choices. You'll also have the mental clarity to spot financial opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. Quality sleep is the ultimate investment in your physical and financial well-being. So, let's tie this all together with a powerful mindset shift. Think of wealth not just as money, but as a form of energy. When your personal energy is high, when your body is healthy, and your mind is clear, you become a magnet for opportunities. Money and success flow more naturally to those who are aligned and operating at their peak. It can feel overwhelming to change everything at once, so don't. The key is to start small. This week, pick just one healthy habit to build, like that morning glass of water. Next week, add one smart financial habit, like reviewing your daily spending. These small wins compound over time, creating massive transformation. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Thank you so much for watching.
I hope this gives you a clear roadmap to building a life that's both rich and healthy.
If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos to help you level up your life. Let me know in the comments which habit you're going to start with. See you in the next one.